Traveling with baby, so much fun and also really challenging. Today I'm going to tell you why I loved traveling with my stroller bassinet and that it can fold down. We flew with this. I'm Kelsey, owner of Compleo and pediatric therapist. And so many of the people in the airport stopped me and were like, you can't fly with that because it doesn't fold flat. And yes, it does. And I'm going to show you today, and it's going to change your travel experience. So first, why did I choose this to travel with instead of a Duna or a car seat stroller system? And the answer is when you're traveling, you are out and about a lot. And for a whole week, I didn't want my baby strapped in. I wanted him to kick around, play, be able to have his normal naps. So for an entire week in Boston, we had this with us. He kept his same nap schedule. He was able to kick, play, and it also was amazing in the airport. We just popped this down, put the little Hatch portable sound machine, and he was able to nap until our flight started. So to fold this flat, we are going to, if you don't know how to attach and detach it, there's just a button at the top right here, and it's going to pop out for you like this. And you're going to press your buttons on the side here to fold back. It does take a couple minutes at the airport to do this. It's not as quick when you're getting ready for gate check, but having it with you is more than worth it, especially for longer trips. We were on a week-long trip. So I'm going to zip out the insert. And this is the part a lot of people did not know exist. We have these two little silver straps on the inside, and you're just going to pull the bars towards each other like this. There we go. And then it just pops down flat. So you're going to pull the bars up. Here we go. Let it fold all the way flat like this. And then you're going to fold the stroller base flat like you always do. You're going to break it, pull your buttons on the side, and pop it down. All of this fit together in the large, just Amazon cheap, large Amazon red gate check stroller bag. We were able to put these stacked in just like this. I don't have the bag with me. And then we gate checked it, and it was there waiting for us when we landed, and we popped it back together. I was traveling with someone who was able to hold the baby while I did this. Some barriers might be if you're traveling alone, but there were plenty of people in the airport willing to help fold this down. And again, it is more than worth it to have the couple extra minutes to have that bassinet all the way for your entire trip. And then it also served as what he slept in. So in the bassinet with the stroller on brakes by the bed in the hotel. So he slept in it. We traveled in it. It worked great. And it had the attachable pegboard for my 5-year-old to be able to ride. Because once they hit that 4 or 5 age, you think they don't need a stroller, but if you do a lot of walking, they do get tired. So having that as an option for older sibling was great. Try it and let us know how it goes.